Ayan, tigtagan na sa advantage. Full muna, full muna. Full muna. Ito, matik.
Ito dito.
OC spread. Clear comms na.
Sang side sila?
OC spread. West sila. Ito yung ano, ito yung engage nila, no? Kamis, guys, ba't kayo Kamis. Ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit me. Spread again. Ready def. Def now. And walk into the backline. Come west more. Northwest. Dito yung healers nila northwest, ah. Healers nila northwest. Ready? Iap. DPS. Hello? Ready inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. I sit. And spread again. Main engage. One. Ready def. Spread. Ready def now. Nice defensive. Come west now. No, we walk northeast. Walk with the crown. Ready. Third time. Actually, west tayo. Never mind. Inside. Look inside. 4, 3, 2. Wala na. Broken na to, guys. Just catch.
Baka magulas sa pencil, ah.
Thinking of you.
Last engage, mag-suicide engage na yata to. Ready def na lang, ha. Pagka after niyan, wala na. Wala na yan. Bro, yun na, drop in na randomly. Catchin nyo.
Panalo.
May spike sa akin.
Asyo, meron dito southwest.
Spike sa akin.
Ang ina, may 37 sila. Ay, ito, nak 5-4 to. Si Squiddy. Southeast healer.
Yan nga yung sinipa ko sa...
Yung GM!
No GG call.
GM. Patayin nyo, GM.
Tatakbo!
Sino GM nila? Si Mongoloid?
Yon!
Mongoloid.
Nice, marami mo, tangin na mo.
Yung GM,